This is my assignment number 4, heaps and priority quests. Certainly, let's break down the uh, uh, provide code and its usage. Array heaps classes. The array heap classes is a main heap implementation using an array of storage elements. It includes the following components: item inner class. Item is a provide inner class representing elements in the heap. Each item has a key and a value. It overrides comparison methods. It and get to compare items objects based on their keys. Heap helper methods left child, right child, parents compute indicates of left child, right child, and parent given an index. As left has right has parents. Check if a node has the child, right child, or parents. Swap elements at the two indexes in the array. Move an element up the heap to maintain the main heap property. Down heap. Move an element down the heap to maintain the main heap property. Priority queen methods. End methods initialize an empty heap with an element list. Add key value method adds a new element with the specified key and value to the heap. Appends a new item to the end of the array and performs uphead to maintain the main heap property. Remove main method removes the removes and return the element within the minimum key, swaps the first and last element, removes the last element, and performs downheap to maintain the main heap property. In method returns the minimum element without removing it. It empties methods returns true if the heap is empty, otherwise returns false. And methods returns the number of elements in the heap. For example, create an instruction of array heap array. An element of the heap number 3, 1, 2. Check if the element is empty. Print is the heap empty. Heap is empty. Output false. Get the remove the minimum element. Main element heap remove main print minimum element main element. Then the output is 1. Check the minimum check the minimum element without removing it. Main element help main print minimum element without removal. Main element the output comes to. This example demonstrates creating a heap and adding checking if the element and performing operators to the create remove the minimum element. The output reflects the state of the heap after each operation. If you have specific questions about any part of the code or its output, feel free to ask. Then the element is which is going to perform within the certain given value of the program. Link heap and priority queue implementation. This responsibility contains an implementation of the main heap structure using a linked trace, table of construction and introduction, binary nodes, link heap, and primary queue and test operators. A linked heap. The linked heap class implements a main heap using a linked tree structure. It supports operators such as introduction, uh, uh, deletion, and picking. The implementation ensure the immutability of the node elements when move them with the heap. Public methods: add key value adds a key value and print in the appropriate position within the main heap. Remove the returns key value pair with the minimum key value within the heap. Main returns pair pair of the value key within the heap. Returns a key pair within the minimum key within the heap, but leaves the heap unaltered. This empty returns turns into the heap contains no key value pairs false. Otherwise, return the number of key value pairs stored in the heap. Test operators. A, a script test priority queue is provided to demonstrate the usage of the priority queue with simple operators. This is the program. Now I am running the program. Here I get the final output of this program.